All right, what do we have here? It's my Keto Box. Tchotchkes. That's in Neo or Neon? That's weird. Okay. That's a menu. Discounts. Okay. All right. I have a Noosh carrot spice cake. 3 grams of net carbs. Feels a little bit like a really heavy sponge. Long leaf tea bags. Is this filler? I'm not sure. I'm not sure how this is keto related. Tea doesn't have carbs. Does tea have carbs? Tea doesn't have carbs. Okay. No list of ingredients. I guess it's safe. Coconut. Love coconut. Oh, yep. Ingredients. Coconut. Love. Perfect. Brammy. Sea salt lupini snack. What is a lupini? Savory and juicy. Oh, yeah. Plant protein. Refrigerator. What is this? What are lupini beans? Okay. All right. Moving on. Pecans, sea salt, roasted, no sugar. That looks like a 1 gram of carbs per container. 4 grams of carbs per container. I could probably eat all of this in one sitting. All right. Coffee creamer. Oh, this is like a metric ton of this shit too. Do you need this creamer? I don't need this creamer. I'm gonna hold on to it. If you have any interest, I will drop it off at your house. Nextella. It sounds like Nutella. I'm a little bit disappointed it is not low carb Nutella. Okay, what is this? More nuts. Sea salt and pepper. Pistachio. These babies taste like $1,000,000. Okay, it's nuts. Don't get excited. This feels mushy. Skinny pasta. Rice shape. Is this shirataki? Why does it have a Weight Watchers sticker on it? Okay, I think this is shirataki. Goodbye. I will eat you. Oh, okay, so this is the bar that I had the coupon for. It is actually teeny tiny, and it feels real thin. Fight sugar, unleash taste. Crossbar, is that like for CrossFitters? Okay. Keto, what? 4 grams of carbs for what though? Peanut butter. Again, kind of large packaging, but like, what's happening here? What's happening? Why is the bag so big? And last but not least, Hello Water. Fiber infused. Lime. Okay. I wish it was fat infused, but I'll deal. Now, wait a minute. Can you explain to me what the hell kind of water has 10 whole grams of carbs? Are these people serious? I'm not drinking this. Water? I'll take inventory here. I don't remember how much I paid for this, but I don't know. Is this $40 worth of snacks? I think it was 40 bucks. Like, maybe? Just nuts. It's a lot of nuts and tea. How dare they send me tea? I'm still so irritated about that. And these teeny, tiny bars that are actually just half the size of the package. Okay, anyway. That's the old Keto Box for you.